Time now for your Weather Authority forecast. I also saw that police escort. I thought it was for you and Chris Wright.
And just our two cars. I saw 3 buses, and I just happened to look, and I was like, I see some hats on that bus, but I was looking. I was like, oh, okay, yep, it's the other team.
And I was
Nice.
behind you guys. I thought, did Aaliyah and Chris Wright just get a police escort? And I'm back
I
here.
wish. Would have got here a lot quicker.
Or what we call Wednesday, in and out of work. We're escorting some showers and thunderstorms, unfortunately, back into the area. So let's jump on the radar and take a look and see what's happening. The skies are bubbling up. You know, when we were there at Colts Camp, look at the gathering here, the birds, the little seagulls hanging out there. Hey, what's up? There are showers and thunderstorms that are trying to bubble up now to our north. They've had some impact. We've had some rain showers and thunder showers reach Delaware County, so this is the live view at Ball State University right now, and kind of zeroing in on that area, Portland, Hartford City. We're getting some downpours back towards north of Alexandria, so northern areas of Madison County. There's the rain that's moving into Muncie. There's nothing severe here. However, the soils are saturated, and any kind of really brief heavy downpours could easily start to create some ponding on roadways and certainly some localized flooding. So there was a flash flood warning issued earlier, and it's in effect until 8:30 p.m. because already some of these heavy downpours have passed through Howard County and Carroll County as well. And there may be more gathering as the evening progresses. So that's how localized, a 1.3-inch rainfall, and suddenly you can have street flooding. And again, everything is saturated, so anytime we get any downpours going forward, for the rest of the night, there is that risk that we will see some localized flooding or flash flooding. We're not looking at creeks and streams and rivers once again swelling like they did late last week and into the weekend. But we are talking about more of a localized event here. Flood watch is out, and these showers and thunderstorms that have gathered to the north are tracking a little bit more due east, and eventually this will settle south with time. So those rain chances are going to increase. And what kind of water are we looking at? Well, this machine will change from time to time. These machines are showing you the most recent rainfall prediction here. And this is anywhere between 1 to maybe 2 inches of rain in the heaviest of storms, even higher locally if you get a storm or two to go overhead. So I'm not really focusing on the exact numbers in exact locations, but you get the drift here. If you have a couple of storms around, we could perk these numbers up to 2 inches of rain, maybe locally higher. We'll be watching that carefully as the evening progresses. It's 80 degrees, and what's changed is the dew point. It surged again. Remember, it was so low, so dry. We had some great mornings here and great feel, but it got sticky in a hurry, and the dew point 72 in Muncie with the rain moving. And when you look at the analysis, this atmosphere alone has about 1.5 inches to maybe 2 inches of water available. That's a water vapor, and that's evaporated into a gas form. So yeah, a tropical downpour or two can be afforded here, but note the movement a little bit more to the east. And then look what's back to our west. That's a thunderstorm complex. And again, it's 2 channels of rivers of atmospheric winds that are providing these rain chances. This front is settling southbound. This front is associated more with the hot dome, and that's where the strongest of severe storms will be later tonight or early tomorrow morning, closer to that rim of fire pattern. So we will have rain moving into the area tonight, but we will also be moving it out as the night progresses. As the jet stream digs a little further south, we're going to see the improvements by Thursday morning and then really start to see the improvements for the rest of the week. Next few hours, the focus will be over north central Indiana, and at least through 10 o'clock tonight, some of these downpours may be scattered enough that you're going to be afforded a lot more dry time. But as we move to the overnight hours, look at that next surge of showers and storms. That's going to be most heavy 7 o'clock in the morning over south central Indiana. Then we begin to improve the weather here on Thursday, and we start to set sights on what will be an improved forecast overall. So not surprised to see this varying numbers. 1/4 inch to maybe 1 inch or more. That's how selective the rains will be at times. But it could be at least a chance to see some flash flooding later tonight and into early Thursday morning. 66 the low tonight with the downpours becoming more numerous. They'll start to scatter and diminish tomorrow. 81 for a high. The humidity begins to lower, and we get into some better weather. Yes, there are still some chances for showers on Saturday, but we are looking at improved weather, an extended spell of rain-free weather, especially late in the weekend and early next week. Symphony on the Prairie Friday and Saturday night. Friday and Saturday, Greek Fest in Carmel.